ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഒരു ഓവർസിയർ ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, AE ഗ്രേഡിനായിക്കോട്ടെ, നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വെയിറ്റേജ് ഉള്ള ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ് സർവേയിങ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആ ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെയാണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമുക്കറിയാം, ഈ വരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിന്റെ ഒരു ട്രെൻഡ് അനുസരിച്ച് സർവേയിങ്ങിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഭാഗവും റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആണ്. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങളൊരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഓവർസിയർ ഗ്രേഡ് ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അതും സർവേയുടെ പോർഷൻ. അതിൽ ഒരിക്കലും നമുക്ക് മിസ്സിങ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഏതൊക്കെ പോർഷൻസ് ആണ് കൂടുതലും PSCക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളതെന്ന് നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു ട്രെൻഡ് കണ്ടാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. അപ്പൊ സർവേയുടെ പോർഷൻസും കൂടുതലും റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ആ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് വരാൻ പാടില്ല. അപ്പം മാക്സിമം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഏത് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആയിക്കോട്ടെ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്ന മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ മാക്സിമം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനി ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന കുറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ്. ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ സർവേ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഭാഗങ്ങൾ മാത്രം ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയ ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. സോ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. So first question, the angle between two curved lines is known as. Options: spherical angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, deflection angle. Answer: option A, spherical angle. The angle between two curved lines is known as. Answer: spherical angle. Which of the following is the classification based upon system of survey? Options: chain surveying, triangulation surveying, city surveying, mine surveying. Answer: option B, triangulation surveying. The survey that does not deals with the mapping of large water bodies is. Options: hydrographic survey, navigation survey, mine survey, cadastral survey. Answer: option D, cadastral survey. During the office work, surveyor does. Options: design of structure, selection of site, recording field book, selecting system of work. Answer: option A, design of structures. During the office work, surveyor does design of structure. If distance on drawing 2.5 centimeter, actual distance of object 1 meter, then representative factor of scale is. Options: 1 by 2.5, 100 by 2.5, 1 by 40, 2.5 by 1. Answer: option C, 1 by 40. Representative factor RF is equal to ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഓൺ ഡ്രോയിങ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഓൺ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്നാണ്. അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് ഡയമെൻഷൻസും ഒരേ ഡയമെൻഷനിലേക്ക് മാറ്റി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് RFന്റെ വാല്യൂ 1 by 40 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ദ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഫിഗർ വിച്ച് ക്യാൻ ബി പ്ലോട്ടഡ് വിത്തൗട്ട് ആംഗിൾ ബട്ട് വിത്ത് സൈഡ്സ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: പെന്റഗൺ, ഒക്ടഗൺ, ഹെക്സഗൺ, ട്രയാംഗിൾ. ആൻസർ: ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, ട്രയാംഗിൾ. The survey line which fixes up the direction of all other survey line is. Options: tie line, base line, check line, none of those. Answer: option D, base line. Survey line which fixes up the direction of all other survey line is. Answer: base line. The instrument which automatically records a number of steps taken placing in a given survey line. Options: pedometer, odometer, passometer, speedometer. Answer: option C, passometer. The instrument which automatically records the number of steps taken placing in a given survey line. Answer: option C, passometer. Two long chain may be adjusted by. Options: closing up the joints, inserting new ring, replacing large size rings, straightening any link. Answer option A, closing up the joints. Too long chain may be adjusted by closing up the joints. One of the duty of leader in chain surveying is options pick up the arrows, to obey the instruction of follower, to carry the rear end of chain, stretching the chain tight. Answer option B, obey the instruction of follower. One of the duty of leader in chain surveying is to obey the instruction of follower. The surveying best suited for dense area and fall of many details is options plain table surveying, chain surveying, theodolite surveying, compass surveying. Answer option D, compass survey. The surveying best suited for dense area and fall of many details is answer option D, compass survey. Part of the compass adjusting the prism according to the eye height is options hinged strap, lifting lever, focused stud, eye vein. Answer option C, focused stud. Part of the compass adjusting the prism according to eye height is answer focused stud. Whole circle bearing 176 degree equal to quadrantal bearing of options east 4 degrees south, south 176 degree east, south 4 degree east, north 4 degree west. Answer option C, south 4 degree east. The difference between forebearing and back bearing of a survey line should be options 180 degree, 0 degree, 360 degree, 90 degree. Answer option A, 180 degree. Difference between forebearing and back bearing of a survey line should be answer 180 degree. In step of field works, area of plot is divided into polygon or triangle in compass surveying. Options marking station, reconnaissance of area, traversing, plotting. Answer option B, reconnaissance of area. Which one is the following that does not have a object of leveling? Options to fix benchmark, to find profile of road, indirect ranging, to show contour. Answer option C, indirect ranging. One significance of Y level. Options no loose part, peg adjustment is inconvenient, no wearing of parts, not rigid in construction. Answer option D, not rigid in construction. One significance of Y level is not rigid in construction. Which of the following benchmark is established with high precision? Options permanent benchmark, GTS benchmark, temporary benchmark, none of those. Answer option B, GTS benchmark. The benchmark is established with high precision. Answer GTS benchmark. If higher contours are inside and outer contour are outside, object will be options hill, depression in ground, rigid line, ridge line, valley line. Answer option A, hill. Which one is one significant of direct method of contouring? Options very cheap, use it for hilly area, most accurate, route survey for canal. Answer option C, most accurate. The need of drawing cross section from a contour map is to calculate. Options: total length of rod, slope, alignment, earthwork. Answer: option D, earthwork. Need of drawing cross section from a contour map is to calculate. Answer: earthwork. Contour line cross each other in the case of. Options: ridge line, overhanging cliff, valley line, none of those. Answer: option B, overhanging cliff. The contour line cross each other in the case of overhanging cliff. Contour interval is kept higher when. Options: money available is limited, field work is small, work is not important, office work is small. Answer: option A, money available is limited. The contour interval is kept higher when money available is limited. Which one is not a part of telescopic alidade? Options: vertical circle, support, horizontal circle, fiducial edge. Answer: option C, horizontal circle. Systematic operation of temporary adjustment of plane table is. Options: orientation after observation, observation after orientation, leveling after orientation, centering after leveling. Answer: option B, observation after orientation. Magnetic needle method is used in plane table when. Options: required less accuracy, doing survey at any place, second station is available, no possibility of error. Answer: option A, required less accuracy. When surveying control from a single station and in the smaller area, the method of surveying is. Options: 2-point problem, radiation, 3-point problem, intersection method. Answer: option B, radiation. Merits of plane table surveying is. Options: can replot the map, surveying done in wet climate, recommended for precise work, suitable for small scale map. Answer: option D, suitable for small scale map. When calculating the boundary area, total number of ordinate must be odd in. Options: trapezoidal rule, average ordinate rule, mid ordinate rule, Simpson's rule. Answer: option D, Simpson's rule. Three successive ordinates are 2 meter, 1 meter and 2 meter. Interval between the ordinate is 10 meter. Then area enclosed by ordinate by Simpson's rule in meter square. Answer: 26.67. കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇക്വേഷൻ സിംസൺസ് റൂൾ അനുസരിച്ചാണെങ്കിൽ d/3 ഇൻറ്റു ഫസ്റ്റ് എ പ്ലസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് എ പ്ലസ് 4 ഇൻറ്റു ഈവൻ പ്ലസ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു ഓഡ്. ആ കണ്ടീഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ സിംസൺസ് റൂൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ആൻസർ വരുമ്പം ഇതിനകത്ത് ഡി യുടെ വാല്യൂ 10 ആണ്. അതിനകത്ത് ഫസ്റ്റ് എ പ്ലസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് എ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 മീറ്റർ ആൻഡ് അവസാനത്തെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഓർഡിനേറ്റ് 2 മീറ്റർ പ്ലസ് അതിന്റെ ഈവന്റെ വാല്യൂ 1 ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പം 4 ഇൻറ്റു 1 കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന വാല്യൂ ആണ് 26.67. The Celeon gut tracers does not consist. Options: tripod, brass sighting tube, small hole, cross wire. Answer: option A, tripod. A Celeon gut tracer does not have tripod. Sextans is used for measuring. Options: bearing, length, angle, slope. Answer: option C, angle. Sextant is used for measuring angle. Instrument which is having mirror, metal frame, gimbal is. Options: box sextants, clinometer, gut tracer, hand level. Answer: option B, clinometer. A theodolite whose telescope can be revolved through a complete revolution in vertical plane about its horizontal axis is known as. Options: vernier theodolite, micrometer theodolite, alidade theodolite, transit theodolite. Answer: option D, transit theodolite. Size of theodolite varies from 10 to 30 centimeter, 10 to 30 mm, 5 to 10 centimeter, 30 to 35 centimeter. Answer: option A, 10 to 30 centimeter. 3-screw type theodolite is preferred when. Options: centered more quickly, leveled more quickly, parallaxing more quickly, distributing uneven pressure on screw. Answer: option B, leveled more quickly. 3-screw type theodolite is preferred when leveled more quickly. Theodolite standards are having the shape of. Options: C, U, A, S. Answer: option C, A. Theodolite standards are having the shape of A. Least count of transit theodolite reading. Options: 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Answer: option D, 20 seconds. Least count of transit theodolite reading is 20 seconds. Plumb bob of theodolite is suspended from. Options: plate, hole, hook, ring. Answer: option C, hook. The plumb bob of theodolite is suspended from hook. Next, axis about which telescope of theodolite can be rotated in horizontal plane is known as. Options: vertical axis, horizontal axis, axis of telescope, axis of level 2. And option A, vertical axis. Axis about which telescope of theodolite can be rotated in horizontal plane is known as. Answer: vertical axis. In double vernier theodolite, options: main scales are marked in one direction, main scales are marked in both directions, attached a single vernier, one single vernier is marked. Answer: option B, main scales are marked in both directions. When focusing object glass, telescope is. Options: transited, inverted, rotated, directed to object. Answer: option D, directed to object. When focusing object glass, telescope is directed to object. Direct angle obtained from theodolite may be between. Options: 0 to 360 degree, 0 to 90 degree, 0 to 160 degree, none of those. Answer: option A, 0 to 360 degree. Direct angle is obtained from theodolite may be between 0 to 360 degree. Point of curve is also known as. Options: apex, end of curve, beginning of curve, point of intersection. Answer: option C, beginning of curve. Point of curve is also known as beginning of curve. Relation between radius r and degree of curve d in curve setting for 20-meter chain is options r equal to 20 by d, r equal to 20d, r equal to 1719 by d, r equal 1146 by d. Answer option D, r equal to 1146 by d. Compound curve has options curves in opposite direction, arcs of different radius, length of straight line between curves, arcs of same radius. Answer option B, arcs of different radius. Compound curve has arcs of different radius. Next, if tangent distance 20 meter and radius of curve 200 meter, when setting out the curve, radial offset from tangent is equal to options 1 meter, 20 meter, 200 meter, none of those. Answer option A, 1 meter. Magnitude of centrifugal force along a curved track is generally options inversely proportional to weight of vehicle, inversely proportional to radius of curvature, inversely proportional to speed of vehicle, none of those. Answer option B, inversely proportional to the radius of curvature. The magnitude of centrifugal force along a curved track is generally inversely proportional to radius of curvature. In order to determine the natural features such as valleys, rivers, lake, etc., the surveying preferred is options city surveying, location surveying, cadastral surveying, topographical surveying. Answer option D, topographical survey. The fundamental principle of surveying is to work from the options whole to part to whole, lower level to higher level to lower level. Answer option A, whole to part. Fundamental principle of surveying is to working from whole to part. The method of measuring distance by pacing is chiefly used in options location survey, preliminary surveys, reconnaissance surveys, all of those. Answer option C, reconnaissance surveys. The method of measuring distance by pacing is chiefly used in reconnaissance surveys. The instrument attached to the wheel of a vehicle in order to measure the distance travelled is called options passometer, odometer, pedometer, speedometer. Answer option B, odometer. The instrument attached to the wheel of a vehicle in order to measure the distance travelled is called odometer. Direct ranging is possible only when the end stations are options close each other, not more than 100 meter apart, located at the highest point in the sea, mutually indivisible. Answer option D, mutually indivisible. Direct ranging is possible only when the end stations are mutually indivisible. The error in measured length due to sag of chain or tape is known as options positive error, negative error, compensating error, instrumental error. Answer option A, positive error. The error in measured length due to sag of chain or tape is known as positive error. When the position of a point is to located accurately by a perpendicular offset, the direction of perpendicular is set out by the means of options theodolite, optical square, dumbbell level, planimeter. Answer option B, optical square. In an optical square, the angle between the first incident ray and last reflected ray is options 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 150 degree. Answer option C, 90 degree. The angle between the reflecting surface of a prism square is options 30 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 45 degree. Answer option D, 45 degree. The angle between the reflecting surfaces of a prism square is answer option D, 45 degree. The horizontal angle between the true meridian and survey line is called options azimuth, magnetic bearing, dip, magnetic declination. Answer option A, azimuth. Horizontal angle between the true meridian and survey line is called answer azimuth. The difference between the forebearing and back bearing of a line is options 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 0 degree. Answer option A, 180 degree. The horizontal angle between the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian is called options azimuth, declination, latitude, dip. Answer option B, declination. The apparent movement of a image relate to the crosshair is called options foresight, parallax, tilting, refraction. Answer option B, parallax. The apparent movement of a image related to crosshair is called parallax. Next, the length of revenue chain. Options 20 meter, 100 feet, 33 feet, 66 feet. Answer option C, 33 feet. The length of revenue chain is answer 33 ft. It is difficult to replot. The map on a different scale is dash survey. Options compass, chain, theodolite, plane table. Answer option D, plane table. Principle of chain survey is options triangulation, whole to part, fixing up of points, traversing. Answer option A, triangulation. The principle of chain survey is triangulation. The height of a telescopic metric staff. Options 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 3.5 meter. Answer option B, 4 meter. The height of a telescopic metric staff is 4 meter. Instrument for drawing rays in plane table survey. Options U-frame, trough compass, spirit level, alidade. Answer option D, alidade. Instrument for drawing the rays in plane table survey is alidade. The point where two readings are taken in leveling. Options backside, foresight, change point, intermediate site. Answer option C, change point. The scale used in theodolite. Options plane scale, diagonal scale, comparative scale, vernier scale. Answer option D, vernier scale. In metric chain, 1 meter length is divided into options 20 links, 5 links, 10 links, 30 links. Answer option D, 5 links. The horizontal angle between true meridian and magnetic meridian is known as options magnetic bearing, true bearing, magnetic declination. Answer option D, magnetic declination. Contours at different elevations cross in case of options steep ground, ridge, vertical cliff, overhanging cliff. Answer option D, overhanging cliff. The contours of different elevation cross in case of overhanging cliff. Planimeter is used for measuring options volume, area, enlarging the plan, slope. Answer option B, area. Planimeter is used for measuring area. The angle between two plane mirror of a optical square is options 90 degree, 30 degree, 180 degree, 45 degree. Answer option D, 45 degree. Angle between two plane mirror of optical square is answer 45 degree. The smallest division on the ISI leveling staff is options 0.5 meter, 0.05 meter, 0.005 meter, 5 centimeter. Answer option C, 0.005 meter. The smallest division on the ISI leveling staff is 0.005 meter. The reading first entered in the field book of leveling. Options back sight, foresight, intermediate sight, change point. Answer option A, back sight. The line joining the optical center of the object glass to the center of the eyepiece. Options axis of the level tube, axis of the telescope, line of collimation, axis of the bubble tube. Answer option B, axis of telescope. The line joining the optical center of the object glass to the center of the eyepiece is answer axis of telescope. Determine the difference in the elevation between 2 points is called options benchmark, height of collimation, reduced level, level difference. Answer option D, level difference. Determine in the difference in elevation between 2 points is called level difference. The whole circle bearing of a line is 300 degree. Its reduced bearing is options north 30 degree east, north 30 degree west, north 60 degree west, south 60 degree east. Answer option C, north 60 degree west. For linear measurements of a highest precision, the tape which is to be recommended is options linen tape, metallic tape, steel tape, invar tape. Answer option D, invar tape. For the linear measurements of high precision, the tape is to be recommended is invar tape. The coefficient of linear expansion of invar was compared to that of ordinary steel is about Options 1 by 30, 1 by 300, 1 by 3000, 1 by 30,000. Answer option A 1 by 30. For a well-conditioned triangle, its angle should not be less than. Options 90 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree. Answer option C 30 degree. For a well-conditioned triangle, its angle should not be less than 30 degree. The angle of dip at the magnetic pole is options 90 degree, 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Answer option A 90 degree. The angle of dip at the magnetic pole is answer 90 degree. The term height of instrument HI in leveling is options height of instrument axis above the station point, elevation of line of sight with respect to a datum, elevation on line of sight with respect to MSL, elevation of the instrument axis above the staff station. Answer option B elevation of line of sight with respect to datum. While leveling on a steep slopes, it is preferable to set up the instrument successively along options zigzag line, straight line, curved line, diagonal line. Answer option A zigzag line. Contour interval is options greater on flat ground, small on hilly area, directly proportional to the scale of mark, inversely proportional to the scale of mark. Answer option D inversely proportional to the scale of mark. The contour interval is inversely proportional to the scale of mark. Next, in a vernier theodolite have a least count of 20 seconds. The value of vernier scale division is answer option A 59 by 60 into 20 seconds. To measure a vertical angle of a object. Options vernier C should be 0, vernier D should set 0, no need of set 0 in the vernier, both vernier C and D should be set 0. Answer option C no need of set 0 in the vernier. The sum of the interior angle of a closed traverse is options n minus 2 into 180, n plus 2 into 180, 2n minus 4 into 180, 2n plus 4 into 180. Answer option A n minus 2 into 180. N is the number of angles. The method of tachymetry is generally done by options substance bar system, movable hair system, fixed hair system, none of above. Answer option C fixed hair system. So ഇത്രയാണ് സർവേ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ മോക്ക്. ഇതുവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവര് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.